Hello. Hello. No more excuses. Yes, I'm talking to you. You've been making excuses. I don't know how to draw. I don't know how to sketch. I don't know how to paint. I don't have the skill. I don't have the materials. But you do know the benefits of doing art, right? Well, from today on, you will have no more excuses because you're going to enjoy this video so much. And there are only 4 easy steps that you will get rolling with your art. And you will also experience the benefits that you can get from making art, being creative. And you can use any materials. You don't have to use what I have in the video. Whatever you have access to, no more excuses. Okay, so see you on the other side. Happy drawing. Okay, rub together your hands, stretch them, and feel the paper and its texture. Take your time. For the purpose of this exercise, I've divided a sheet into 4 sections, one for scribble, then doodle, and then draw and sketch and paint. And we are ready. Oh, we might as well label the boxes with the tasks just in case we forget. Just joking. You can just even do it on 4 separate sheets if that's what you prefer. There's no hard and fast rule, and you can do even 1 exercise per day on any material or surface. Yes, scribble, scribble, scribble aimlessly, freely. Don't judge, don't think, don't plan, and make these marks to your heart's content. A masterpiece already. If you don't feel content and you want to do more, and just take another sheet and another sheet and another sheet, keep scribbling. And just in case you're thinking, what the heck am I doing? This is Jackson Pollock, a 20th century famous American artist, an expressionist. He used household paints to paint on big canvases, and he used this technique called drip technique. When he made those paintings, the critics did not like it and he didn't get very good reviews. But in 2016, 75 years after his death, one of his paintings called Number 17A was sold for $200 million. The point here is you don't need to follow any rules, just follow your heart when you make art. Again, the colors also, you don't have to use the colors that I'm using. Whatever you gravitate towards, just pick up that. Although you can try the same colors and see if what you do looks any different from what I'm doing. That will be fun. I think I'm happy the way it has turned out. I don't feel the need to do anything more to it. But of course, you can do more or less. And that's one of Jackson Pollock's painting. Not too different from mine. I think we've all done doodling. You just keep drawing whatever comes to your mind, or just aimlessly again, wherever you can fill the space. And it doesn't matter what the object is. It can be faces, it can be trees, chairs, flowers, utensils. Doesn't matter. Just do it, and without giving much thought. As I said earlier, no judgment, no thinking, and no planning. Just do it. Well, I'm not judging myself also, but I'm thinking that I've never really done doodling of this kind. I mean, that is within a box or a space, and I'm filling extra spaces without thinking and at its speed. But of course, I have done doodling all the time, all of the time, all my life. Unconsciously, I would just do a drawing of an eye or lips or a face or a flower or my name. But what I'm doing right now, I'm really enjoying it. I think I'm going to be doing more and more of this, and I will be sharing with you, and you follow my progress and I will follow your progress. And as they say, let's paint the town red. Oh no, actually, let's paint the world with rainbow colors. Wouldn't that be nice? This doodling is just to get comfortable with the pencil, so that's my doodling for today. And please let me know how's your doodling going. And you can paint your whole house with doodles if you like, just like Sam Cox, Mr. Doodle. You can leave it as black and white or add color. I felt like doing some color in it. Also, as you would notice, that coloring improves your mood, adds a bit of cheer in your day. Even just looking at colors or wearing colorful clothes or looking at colorful art can do wonders. Hello. Just checking in if you're actually making art or you're watching the video properly. And if you have any questions, please leave in the comment section. Oh, subscribe, share, like also. And never forget to smile. Did you know that you could manifest miracles through art? This is another way of visualizing, but more powerful. Sketch, draw, or paint what you would like manifested in your life. So, intentionally create positive art to bring positivity in your life. To get comfortable with drawing, you just can use any paper or printer paper and hold the pencil from the middle or at least 1/3 away from the tip of the pencil. And sketch and draw as if you are using your shoulder and the entire arm, like a technical drawing compass. For the sake of this demo, I'm just using a very simple flower. Divide that circle into 6 pies to make leaves. It's looking like a bicycle wheel. Well, you can get rolling. I'm sketching deliberately and carefully. But you don't have to do this. If you feel comfortable doing this without these technical shapes, you can just draw freehand if that's what you feel like, and even make more complicated drawings if that's what you would like to do. Freehand like this. After you're happy with the sketch, you can rub away the shell that you created as a support. So after you are happy practicing, and you can now draw on a proper art sheet. And this, I've drawn that similar flower again, and then you can start expanding on it, adding stems, leaves, whatever you feel like, in the same way that I'm doing here. So taking the same reference points, you can make the leaves bigger and rub the ones inside, or you can just keep it as a design. This is another simple way of drawing a 4-leaf flower. And now, if you're ready to play with colors, this is going to be fun. I'm using basic 3 colors first, red, yellow and blue, from which you can make many different colors onward. For water paints, it's good to use a heavy paper, art paper, that can absorb the water well. Depending on how much water is on your brush, the paints will behave accordingly. And right now, obviously, I have a lot of water on my brush, and prior to this was more paint than water. The idea here is to just experiment, don't be afraid, just play with it. Even if you spill something, stain something, that's not the end of the world. If we are afraid of making mistakes, we can never learn. And experimenting with colors, paints, art, sketching, you sometimes learn new ways that you never knew existed. So it's good to just play. So this is, my brush is almost dry, but it's giving a little impression of a yellow. And right here, if you see carefully, you can see just a hint of yellow in this blue. It's picking up from underneath. And in this blue, there is no yellow. Again, a thin watery layer of blue is making green. Over here, the same yellow is giving orange shade. And that's the same blue is giving purple shade over red. As I said, experimenting brings out new things, and this is a tree now I didn't expect, and I took the liberty of using a bit of a brown and making it into a landscape, a misty landscape. So I hope along with me you have also produced 4 masterpieces. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you're making art already. Please do share, subscribe and like, and comment in the comment section, and let me know that what inspires you and what kind of art you're doing, and what you have learned from my video, and is there anything different you are doing. So I would like to know as well. Thank you. See you soon.